Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs last longer. To maximize freshness, always store eggs in their original carton. This protects them from absorbing odors and maintains a stable temperature. Place them in the coldest section of your refrigerator, typically the back of a middle shelf, not the door. Keeping them consistently cool helps prevent spoilage and extends their usable life significantly. Beyond basic refrigeration, you can further extend egg life. Some people coat eggs with a thin layer of mineral oil. This seals the shell's pores, reducing moisture loss and keeping air out. Always use older eggs first to maintain a fresh supply. Also, store eggs away from pungent foods like onions, as their porous shells can absorb surrounding odors, affecting taste. Freezing is an excellent way to preserve eggs for much longer. You cannot freeze eggs in their shells as they will crack. Instead, crack them, whisk them thoroughly, and then you can freeze them. For best results, add a small amount of salt or sugar to the whisked eggs before freezing to help maintain their texture once thawed. Freeze them in convenient portions, like ice cube trays, for easy future use. Knowing when to discard eggs is crucial for safety. A simple float test can help. If an egg floats in a bowl of water, it's likely spoiled due to a large air cell. Also, trust your senses. Any off odor, slimy texture, or discoloration means it's time to throw it out. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.